So here we are in our backyard with the actual light. All right, try different modes. All right, if you guys can see. So this is the side light. All right, on the side light you can see where you're walking, brighter. And then we're gonna go to the center light. Got this mode, then brighter.
If you're looking for a flashlight, portable flashlight that you can use pretty much for a lot of different occasions, all right? I'm going to talk to you a little bit more about what I mean, all right? Now, this one comes with a strip light, double light, and it also has a UV light too also. On top of that, they give you a clip. You could clip this to your hat if you want, to your belt, pretty much carry anywhere. And not only that, it has a magnet to, you could magnetize to your car. So if you have a vehicle that you changing tires, or maybe you want to work on the hood, under the hood, you can actually paste this to the actual magnet area. Now it does have a type C USB where you actually charge it to. To turn it on, it's very simple. You got your power, your UV light, and then your strip light. To turn it on, hit the button on, it goes bad. But if you hit the power one more time, it does a higher tone. So you have 3 tones that you have to worry about. And then of course you got your V light, UV light.
All right, for the laser, if you guys can see that, you got to go to the UV light and you got to hold down the, you got your UV light, but then if you hold down the UV light for 3 seconds, 1, 2, 3, the laser comes on. All right, that's how you do the laser.
And then on the back one is the strip. All right, you hit it and it goes higher, higher, and that's pretty much it. Well, if you hold down the button, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it does the SOS. All right, that's the SOS signal. All right, and you hit it once and it turns off. So you could go back to regular just by hitting, but you have to hold it down for at least 3 or 4 seconds. On this one, if you hold it down for a couple seconds, 1, 2, 3, it changes the color. If you guys can see that, it does the red. So you can paste this in back of your car or right in front of your car when you're changing the tire. People are going to see this far away. So it does have those tones too. And I like that it's not just one strip light, it's 2. So on top of that, you could just go back to regular one too, just by clicking once. But if you hold it down for 3 seconds, it changes the tone. Very simple, easy to use. I hope you guys enjoy this video.